At most law schools, students read and discuss the law. At Whittier Law School, our students also apply it.
Whittier Law School is a bold choice for students because we are providing a dramatically different curriculum than almost any law school in the country. Over half of the required curriculum is going to involve practical, hands-on elements.
Well, experiential learning at Whittier Law School, I think, is pretty different than at other law schools. But what we're doing that's different is that we're introducing experiential learning in the first year, which means that students get it from the day they walk in the door. They're not allowed to just think about it in the abstract anymore. They need to think about very concretely how they're actually going to implement what they're learning.
So in their civil procedure class, they can litigate a torts case, or a contracts case, or a property case. The idea is that not only will that give them the skills they need to succeed once they get out and practice, it will actually help them learn the theory and the ideas better because they're actually applying it and reinforcing it.
National magazines have ranked Whittier Law School one of the most innovative in the country, thanks to this unique curriculum. The school's Lawyering Skills Institute has also received national acclaim.
Our Lawyering Skills program is very different from what other schools offer. Our third-year course, the Lawyering Skills 4, is not something that many law schools have at all. This is our day in the life of the lawyer course. In class, they have to solve problems. Here you are, here's the client's problem, go, fix it. We like to think of it as we prepare students, we then have them practice, and then they go out and perform.
Students work with actual clients on real cases in the Environmental Water Law Clinic, or one of the 3 clinics involving children's rights.
Clinics are a very important part of their experience in law school because now there is an expectation when students graduate that they are going to be coming out of law school ready to practice law. So we need to give them the opportunity to work with live clients, learn real life skills. So from the moment they first meet a client, they have that responsibility.
Most students work at externships with judges or attorneys, getting real-life experience in courts and law firms.
And had an opportunity to work with Alanis Serrano y Doblado, which is a pretty great boutique firm in Mexico City, Mexico. And I had an opportunity to kind of explore different areas of environmental law.
Over the summer after my second year, I externed at the United States Patent and Trademark Office on the trademark side.
I started my first externship with the Orange County District Attorney's Office in the homicide unit there. The summer of my second year, I got a position with the California Attorney General's Office in the Special Crimes Unit in Los Angeles.
I interned with Birch, Colston & Shepard in Irvine, California. It's a family law firm, and I obtained the internship through Whittier Law School's Center for Children's Rights.
The point of all this practical training is to make Whittier Law School graduates stand out to future employers.
Whittier Law School has attracted some really bright students in the last several years, and it shows. And they're smart, they know how to research, they know how to write. They know how to relate to people, which is huge in our profession, particularly if you want to be a trial lawyer. Whittier Law School has provided 11 of our attorneys, so we have a great track record with the law school.